My wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sweet Mother Gist TV. I greet you all according to your time. How are you guys doing, my country people? You don't read for a Ajebo for inside this video. For inside this matter on ground, Rita don come out as una know Rita, that is Rita Ayemiomo. TV don come out come give Ipa Ajebo woto for inside this matter on ground. E come let Ipa Ajebo know say this matter wey dey on ground e say if you no do well, e say make you comot body o. Say make you comot body for the matter wey no concern you, wey come concern Ipa Ajebo and mommy love, wey mommy love come dey cry naravie vovo for inside one audio when I watch my country people. No be small thing o. E say Ipa Ajebo no go fit settle this matter, say e no fit hide e family, e no fit hide e wife. My country people, una know how e dey be now. Our commenters dem dey come out, na dey come fire down. No be small thing o. Una know say if matter dey on ground na our commenter dey from one place dey go jump enter another case. Una know how e dey be na. Oya my people, wetin we go dey do next I go dey salute una with better style. And if you never subscribe to this my channel, do me a favor by subscribing. Subscription is free. If you don't know why here ma why support me, watch a video on my channel now. Why we say saloba or fiabuwa. So guys, let's take our first comment. Our first comment is here. Now why you know say una two get unfinished business when she carry your mama, you no fit talk to her, you no fit fight for your own mama. Now you wake up. Now you wake up. Now you wake up. Says our first commenter. No be small thing for this video. Una see say na see as our sister take provoke. Na see her eye. Na see her finger wey she point at Ipa Ajebo for this video. No be small thing o. Rita don over provoke my people. Make una believe me. No be small thing. Make we dey go now. Make we read the next comment. This lady don old finish because of bitter saga. That is, this commenter dey say Rita don old because of bitterness. Say she too dey vex when she go dey do saga. Okay, say this lady don old finish because of bitter saga when she dey do. People are doing saga with swag. Her own na with so much bitterness. My people, guess what? I think una see the red head wey full there. So now people come react to this very comment. Some come put like, na some come laugh. Also they come also put red head, as una know, as angry face. So our next commenter na e come say Felekia, I hope you dey hear Ozuo. Na see wetin I dey tell una just now say if matter dey on ground our commenter go just jump come out. They go come carry another one. They go come put egboa. Wetin go concern this matter now concern Felicia. Because wetin concern this matter concern Felicia. Now I wan let una know. Una know say me now as the aproko, the godmother, I dey follow all of them back to back now. At least make dem still take get followers and supporters and views wey be say dem dey find. And dey follow them back to back. I see video wey be say Felicia also do concerning Rita, wey dey tell Rita say in dey warn am make Rita take time say for that video e just come out come warn Rita because if he come out again for Rita say e no go good for am. Shey una see many saga wey dey load for inside media say social media don reach catch fire. Ehialihirie tome o, e don ready, e don ready. Water don pass garri, oda don run away o. E don happen, e don happen, e don happen. Water don pass garri, oga don run away o. E don happen. Dum dum. My people, my people. Wetin dey really dey happen to our Edo presenters? Now I say make I come ask dis question small because me I no really dey support una o. I no just dey support una at all because all those insult gbas wey dey happen everyday, una dey really dey use am take dey disgrace us for social media. That is our Edo people. I know say all of una wey dey do saga, all of una no be Benin o, because say una don dey speak Benin or una born and brought up for Benin, una come dey use am take dey cover face, which is really bad o. If una dey do that thing, Holy Ghost fire na go burn una and una go hell fire. Na una go because we no dey use una tribe take dey cover face for social media. So na this story na I bring for una. Abeg make una like and share this video. See you guys on my next one. Bye bye.